Ever needed to filter out data in SQL that doesn't follow a certain pattern? That's where not like comes in. The underrated tool for excluding patterns you don't want to see. We know like helps you find values that match a pattern. But what if you want to do the opposite? Enter not like. It lets you return only the rows that don't match a pattern. Imagine you're filtering your inbox. You want to see every email, except the ones with sale in the subject line. That's not like in action. In SQL terms, it looks like this. This query returns all emails where sale is not anywhere in the subject. Just like, you can use wildcards with not like. So if you write, where name not like J%N, you're saying, give me names that don't start with J and end with N. Let's say you have a customers table and you want to exclude anyone with an email ending in @test.com. Boom. You've just filtered out all test accounts. Not like is great when you need to clean up data, audit for anomalies, or exclude noise like test users, specific formats, or spammy entries. It's a simple way to say, show me everything else. So next time you're writing SQL and want to skip the stuff that doesn't fit, don't forget about not like. It's the no-nonsense filter you didn't know you needed. Want to level up your SQL skills even more? Check out Educative's interactive courses. See you next time.